Hi, I'm John and this is Up for Excel. Now we can change the style, colour, layout, etc. of these charts quite simply. We have a predefined selection list here, for example, which we can just have a look at, see what it might look like. Scan through them. This is sometimes a quick way of getting a chart that could look good. You know, there's some pretty radical looking things on here, and that one's potentially okay, but I'm going to leave it as we have it at the moment, but you can see what those would look like. You can also change the colour scheme by dropping down on the change colours, and you can see straight away that we can pick some standard sort of colour schemes here, various different ones. You've got quite a lot to choose from here. Do you know what? I actually prefer the one I've got. We'll stick that. And then we also have this quick layouts. Now these basically move things around within, and you might find that this is a quick way of producing something you like the look of. You can see the various different things. This is just it might be a shortcut. Might be worth looking at some of these and saying, yeah, actually, I quite like that one. We'll stick with that. Once you've got something that you like the look of, you can save it as a template. So you do that, you can select the chart and you can right click on it, save as a template. And I'm going to overwrite one of my earlier ones. I'm going to call this chart 2 and save that. Do I want to replace it? Yes, I do. Okay, so I now have this as a template, but how do I apply it? Right, so I've got some new data come in now. Maybe a different business or something. So more sales and profit numbers. And again, I'm going to highlight those. I'm going to push Alt F1 to get a quick chart up. So I'm just going to move over there and make it a bit larger. And then how do I get this now looking similar to how I did the previous chart? So I'm going to select chart type. And this time you'll see that we go to templates. And chart 2 is the template that I wanted, and you simply just click OK. And there you go. Now, for some strange reason, you still need to type in the titles, but you can give this any title you want, give the axis a title, but predominantly it's looking good from the word go. Now, I did a previous chart as well, so on a template, so I could just show you another one. So this time, a full screen template. And here we go, there's chart type 1. And here's another potential template. So instant sort of charts looking exactly how you want. If you've got reports that you produce every week or every month, but you're given different data, then this is an excellent way of producing that incredibly quickly indeed. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's hope you find it useful, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.